Hello guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this video without having further delay. So basically this video is going to be the routine of 15th June 2025 and today is Sunday. So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my previous routine video. So let's start this video without having any further delay. So today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, right? Then after that I studied, then after some time later I went outside, then I came home, right? Then after that I ate food, after some time later I had taken the bath, then after that I wore clothes, then I had done WhatsApp. Then after some time later I went outside and came home, then I had taken the test, then I ate food, then after that I talked to my mother, then after that I went to the terrace, then I came home, then after that I talked to my mother, then after some time also I talked to my mother, right? And after that basically um, after coming from the terrace to the home I talked to my mother, right? I talked to my mother, then after that I wrote previous day's routine, right? Then at the time of evening, today is Father's Day, so my sister brought a cake, right? So my sister brought a cake, right? So and we all have celebrated. Then after that basically we had we have given surprise to our father, right? So basically that this is the thing what is actually happened. We all have celebrated and we ate food, and after some time later I went for this week. So basically this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kind of please likes it because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So yes guys, this is all what is actually happening now. Basically this is the notes which is I used to study in class 12th. Now I'm going to revise. No, macroeconomics. Uh, National income, money and banking, determination of income and employment, government budget, BOP and foreign companies. Some of the topics I have covered from my sole exam. So let's start. So micro is sorry. So macro is derived from the macros word, right? Macros means large, right? So macroeconomics derived from macros, which means large. Macroeconomics and microeconomics are interdependent. Example, demonetization. So if I talk about difference between micro and macroeconomics, meaning it is my individual unit, aggregate, tools, demand and supply, aggregate demand and supply. Other name, price theory, income and employment theory. Aggregation, limited degree of aggregation, highest degree of aggregation. Goods, expenditure, intermediate goods, final goods. Final goods are consumer goods and capital goods, right? So uh, intermediate goods are those goods which are used for further production. These goods can be used for resale purpose. They transform themselves. They are still within the production boundary. Consumer goods, goods which are capable of satisfying human wants directly. These can be durable, non-durable, or services purchased by households. Uh, Needle to aeroplane purchase. Needle to aeroplane purchase. Capital goods. All the goods which help in production, such as machines, equipments, etc., are called capital goods. They do not transform themselves. Now, factors of production. So land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, land, rent, labor, wages, capital, interest, entrepreneur, profit. Now, difference between factor income and transfer income. Factor income are received against factor services. Transfer income are received without rendering any services. Transaction factor income is bilateral transaction, but transfer income is unilateral transaction. National income factor incomes considered are calculating factor income factor incomes are calculated factor incomes are factor incomes are considered while calculating national income. Okay. Transfer income are not considered while calculating national income. Example of factor income is rent, wages, interest and profit, and example of transfer income is gifts, donation, pocket money, scholarship, etc. Stock versus flow. Stock. It is the quantity which is measured at a particular point of time. Flow. It is the quantity which is measured over a period of time. Time dimension. It has no time dimension, it has time dimension. National income. National income is not a stock concept. National income is a flow concept. Example of stock concept is population as on 31st March 2020, money supply, national wealth, quantity of rice stored, and examples. Now, if I talk about the example of flow concept, that is number of deaths during 2020, quantity of rice produced, national income, expenditure. Right now, what is depreciation and capital loss? Depreciation is fall in value of assets, and capital loss is fall in value of assets. Same. So depreciation happens only when due to normal wear and tear, expected, foreseen, obsolescence. Generally, a provision is made for depreciation. And if I talk about capital loss, it happened due to unexpected obsolescence. Earthquake examples. No such provision is made in case of capital loss. If I talk about the depreciation, generally it does not affect production capacity of firm. And if I talk about capital loss, it affects production capacity of firm. Okay. Now, gross investment and net investment. Only in brief in this chapter. Okay. Gross investment, total addition to the capital stock of an economy in a given period. Stock inventory, inventory, short term, closing minus opening. Okay. Gross fixed investment, long term, residential, business investment, public investment. Net investment, actual addition to the capital stock of economy is given period, in given period. Net investment, gross investment minus depreciation. We will engrave the below tattoo on right forearm. Investment is equal to capital formation. Okay, circular flow of income. Both real flow and money flow is called intersectoral flows or dependence of one sector into another. And here is the diagram of circular flow of income. So now if I talk about the definition of national income, that is national income is the money value of all the final goods and services produced in an economy during a year. Production point of view. It is the sum total of all the factor incomes earned by normal residents of a country during a year. Income point of view. Okay. So here is a thing about this. Now, domestic territory. It is the geographical territory administered by the government within which persons, goods, and capital circulates freely. Capital circulates freely. Goods and capital circulates freely. National income is resident check. Domestic income is domestic territory check. Okay. Now, in domestic territory includes territorial waters, territorial waters and airspace, defense bases or military establishments, oil and natural gas rigs, fishing vessels, Indian aircrafts and ships operated by residents, Indian embassies or consulates located in other country. It excludes in domestic territory excludes all foreign embassies or consulated located in India. Uh, okay, any factor income earned by residents or non-residents which arises in domestic territory should become a part of domestic income. So yes, guys, this is the thing. All it is what actually happens. So I think that it is enough for today, guys. So let's end the video, guys. See you, Rafi. Bye bye.